Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter Force, Work, and Energy. Now, in our daily life, to move anything, either we push any object or we pull any object. Then only it is possible to move that object. Basically, suppose few examples here we can take. Like, suppose you are playing cricket. So, while you are playing cricket, you are hitting the ball. That means with that bat, you are pushing it. That's why the ball will move. From here, we get the concept of force. Force is nothing but just a push or pull on an object. So, what will be the definition of force? A push or pull on an object is called force. Now, it's not necessary that whenever we are giving force to any object, always that body will move or that object will move. For example, suppose you have a wall in your room. If you push that wall, is it possible to move that wall? No. That means every time if we push or pull object, it's not necessary that the object will move. Now we will discuss about what are the effects of force. Whenever force is applied, there must be some effect on any object. One by one we will discuss. Number one, force can stop a moving object. So, whenever force is applied on an object in opposite direction, it can slow down or stop an moving object. For example, we can take, suppose you are playing football. To move that ball, you push it or you kick that ball. Again, if from the another side somebody is giving force on the ball will stop or it will slow down. Next effect that we have, that is force can move any stationary object. So whenever you apply force on a stationary object, it starts to move. Like, example we can take, suppose you are kicking a ball. The ball was at rest position and you have just kicked the ball. So what we will observe? We will see that the ball will start to move. Now here we need to keep in mind that in the direction where we are applying the force, in that particular direction only, the object will start to move. Next effect that we have, that is, force can change the direction of a moving object. For example, here we can take, suppose two players are playing cricket. Now one is bowling and another one is batting. The person who is bowling, he is coming and throwing the ball towards the person who will bat it. Now the ball is coming from one direction, and when that person, that batsman, hitting that ball, what we observe, the ball changes its direction. It can be 6, it can be 4, but definitely the ball will change its direction. That means the batsman is applying force with the bat on that ball. That's why it is moving. Next effect that we have, that is, force can change the shape. So, whenever force is applied, it is not always necessary, but sometimes we can see that the shape of the object is changed. Like, suppose For an example, we can take while making the chapati, we need to make a dough of flour. So to make that dough, what we do? We give force on the dough and accordingly we change its shape.